In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. This integration is vital for ensuring that your sales and marketing teams are seamlessly connected and can share data, leading to more informed decision making and efficient workflows. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Simply type in HubSpot CRM in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a variety of results, but what you're looking for is the official HubSpot CRM website. Once you've located the website in the search results, go ahead and click on the link labeled HubSpot CRM Software. You should now be on the HubSpot CRM Software landing page. Here you'll see various options available. What you want to do next is click on the Get Started Free button to begin setting up your HubSpot account. This will not only allow you to explore HubSpot's features, but also set the stage for integrating with Salesforce later on. Now that you've decided to get started, you'll arrive at a sign-up page where you need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Make sure to enter your credentials carefully to avoid any hassles. Once you're logged in, proceed by selecting the account you wish to use and confirm by clicking on Continue with this user. If you have more than one account, remember to select the right one and then click Continue with this account to proceed. Following these steps, you'll be navigated into the HubSpot interface. From here, locate the Marketplace icon and click on it. This is where you'll find integrations and other tools that can enhance your CRM experience. Within the HubSpot Marketplace, utilize the search bar to look for Salesforce. Clicking the search result will take you to the Salesforce integration page. On this page, you will see an option to install the Salesforce integration. Click on that. The next step prompts you to log into Salesforce. Enter your Salesforce login details as you normally would to get access. After you successfully log in, you'll be in the final stage of the integration process. Allow HubSpot access to your Salesforce data by clicking on Allow when prompted. This permission grants HubSpot the necessary access to retrieve and send data seamlessly between the two platforms. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated HubSpot with Salesforce, enabling your team to access centralized data and insights. This integration will ensure smoother operations and more collaborative efforts between your sales and marketing teams. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions if you need further clarification on this process. Happy integrating!